Ma'am.
Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
And ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am, I'm healthy.
Okay, if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because in Malaysia, ma'am, there is no placement fee and no salary deduction.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Mary Lord A.S. Tember from Coronadal City, South Cotabato. I am 25 years old and I graduate 2 years course in college. I graduate as Hospitality Management 2023-2024. I my recent job is I am a service crew in McDonald's, and I have many experience in household chores because I am the eldest in the family, and I have also experience in taking care of a newborn baby because I have a niece, and since she was born, I am I am there in the house to take good care of her. And I also love cooking because cooking is my passion, and that is my course I graduated. And I am also willing to learn any recipe and other countries. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to know some few more details from you first, okay? So you don't have any children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
October 9, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 43 and my height is 5 plus.
Okay, so your KJ is 43. So your weight is 43. Do you think you can lift heavy things?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can lift heavy things because you are 43 kg only?
I will try my best, ma'am, because in a recent job, I'm also a sales personnel in a mall, and I have and I used to carry heavy equipment and cartoons, boxes in delivery.
Okay. So what is your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because if not, better stay in the Philippines, ah. So we don't want to have such a problem later. It's because we just know that your family don't allow you to come and work here, okay?
Yes,
How many brother and sister do you have?
ma'am. We are 5 children in the family, and I have a 4 siblings, and I am the eldest.
What about your parents?
My mother is a vendor and my father is a barber.
How old is your mother and your father?
My father is 58 and my mother is 56.
Okay, so do you know what are you up to, right? You will going to work as a domestic helper. And this job
Yes,
is
ma'am.
quite far away from your field, you know? You will going to work as a
Yes,
domestic helper and you will stay in there for 2 years in your employer. So do you think you can finish your contract?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, so houses here is also a very big one. I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia and working as a domestic helper, okay? Houses here is quite big and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself because you need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible. There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only at the same time. If there is any children or elderly inside the house, you need to assist them also at the same time, okay?
yes, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore or you don't like the employer. No such a thing, okay? there is also any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. You must have a 1,000 times decision before you come to work in other countries, yeah? If you
Yes.
are really willing to come and work other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience, as you have mentioned a while ago, in fast food chain as a worker. You worked there for 1 year, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the restaurant that you were working before, or the fast food?
Uh, McDonald's.
McDonald's. Okay. So after that, you worked there for 1 year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Way back 2018 to 2019.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you are a personnel way back 2023 until 2025 for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So how are you gonna convince the employer that you know how to do the chores? Because it's quite far away from
Because
your field or your working experience in the Philippines.
I am the eldest in the family, mom, and I need to support my family and our daily expenses.
So do you know how to do the laundry? You know how to clean the house?
Yes, ma'am. Everything in household and house chores, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am, because I'm a dog lover.
Then you are then you definitely know how to cook, right? As you have mentioned, you love cooking because this is your degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish
Yes,
your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you disagree, you better stay in the Philippines or maybe we find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad. Normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness later, knowing that you will be working quite far away from your family?
After work, I will call my family and I will pray to God, talk to God, and I be the best version of myself and the bravest version of my myself.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have or you wanted to give a better future for yourself also at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. If there is any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you are the one working inside the premises, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so
Thank you,
much and have
ma'am.
a good day. Bye.